everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day, and have I got a treat for you. I'm going to show you a brand new stamp set that you can get only between November 3rd and January 4th. Other than that, it's gone. And it comes with the cute Curvy Celebrations bundle. You can either get the whole suite, or you can get just this Curvy Christmas stamp set. Let me bring it up so you see it. It also comes, the suite comes with the cute, quite curvy stamp set and the curvy, is it curvy dies? Yeah, the curvy dies. And it also comes with some designer series 6x6 designer series paper classic Christmas, and these two things, the Curvy Christmas stamp set and the classic Christmas designer series paper, only available between November 3rd and January 4th. Okay, you can get these separate from the suite, or you can get them in the suite, but they're only available until January 4th. So November 3rd comes along, you're going to have another treat other than voting. You can get the Curvy Celebration stuff. So what we're going to be needing, it's going to be really easy. We're using the Curvy Christmas. We are using Shaded Spruce, Bumblebee, Memento Black, and a Whisper White note card. Now you can really bump this up if you want. Let me bring this up a little bit. You could do this with gold or silver embossing, and do this with clear embossing, and it would really stand out. And then they have, in this, they have some stars also that you could use to make more stars all around if you wish. I just wanted to do this as a quick card, okay? So what I'm going to do, where's my, oh, here it is. So first off, I am going to stamp the Shaded Spruce. I'm going to stamp the trees, okay? Now, as you can see, this is going to be bigger than this way. I mean, you could put it the other way too. You could do it horizontally if you wanted to, but I'm doing it this way. I find it easier for me to do my cards this way, open them up. So I'm just putting them down right like that. Easy, cute. I love how clear this is. And now I'm just going to clean this one off, because I don't want to get it all dirty when my fingers all dirty when I go to the other side. Okay, then what I am going to do is I kind of want to bring this the same way. So I'm going to try to get the curve the same way. And I mean, I'll show you in just a second how you can redo the curves. Make sure that's closed. So I'm just going to ink this up with Bumblebee. Oops. And there. And I'm going to clean this up. Now I want to make this also go, and you can see it doesn't kind of go that way, so I want to make it more like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to really press it hard there, because it's fairly new stamp. Press it the way you want it, then put your your block on it and then just pick it up that way. And so it will follow the curve. It's so nice with the photopolymers because you can move them around and not have them straight. You can curve them. Thinking of you at Christmas. And that's it. That's really all you need to do to make this great card. It's fast, easy. You could use the Stamparatus if you wanted to make a ton of these. You can use the Stamparatus. The Stamparatus, I think, also is a little better for picking up and holding the shape rather than the block if you want to do a different design or something like that with your photopolymers. I would really appreciate it if you enjoy my cards that you purchase your Stampin' Up products for me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. Please follow me on YouTube, and all the information to make this card, all the products to make this card are listed below. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.